If your day is just switching tabs, replying to emails, and still getting nothing done, this might fix that. Because honestly, that's how most of us are working right now. You start with one task and somehow end up juggling 5 different things at once. Emails, documents research, messages, tools, everything is open. Everything feels important, but by the end of the day, it feels like you were busy the whole time without actually finishing anything meaningful. And that's the problem. Is not that the work is hard, it's that the workflow itself is broken. Most AI tools try to solve this by helping you think faster. They will write for you, suggest ideas, improve content, but they still leave the execution part to you. But in the end, you are still the one managing everything, switching between tools and putting all the pieces together. So instead of trying another AI tool, just help start with thinking, I want something that could actually handle the work itself. And that's when I tested Accio Work from Alibaba.com, and what caught my attention is immediately that this is not designed like a typical AI tool. It works more like a system of AI agents working together, almost like a small executive team that can actually take over tasks instead of just assisting you. When I opened Accio Work, the first thing I checked was the skills section, and this is where it already feels different because instead of features, you are getting ready to use workflow system, not just generate text or write something, but actual process designed to complete tasks. It feels like using a tool and more like assigning work to something that already know what to do. Then I moved to a connector sections where you can connect tools like Gmail or Google Drive. The process is simple: login, allow access, and you are done. Now once connected, Accio Work can actually use your files and emails as part of workflows. After that, I checked the channels section, which is where outputs get delivered automatically. I connected Telegram, and now whenever a task is completed, the results can be sent directly without me needing to download or move anything manually. And you know what? The entire setup took around 5 to 6 minutes. Now if you look at most AI tools today, they are usually focused on one part of the workflow. Some are great for writing, some are strong for research, and some help with analysis. But you are still one connecting everything together. Even tools that clamps automation often require constant prompts and manual control. So instead of reducing your workflow, they are just shift it around. But what I noticed around Accio Work is that it approaches this differently, because instead of giving you isolated tools, it combines multiple AI agents into one system that works together. So tasks does not happen step by step manually, they are handled as a part of coordinated workflow. And this is where it clearly stands apart. Instead of acting like a helper, it works like an execution layer that can handle end-to-end tasks across your workflow. And importantly, you can still see and approve actions before they happen. So it stays controlled and transparent rather than fully automated without oversight. So instead of testing random features, I gave it something more practical. I asked it to help with a basic e-commerce workflow, including product research, competitor analysis, and structuring a store plan. And this is where things got interesting. Instead of handling one step at a time, multiple AI agents work together in parallel. One part focused on finding products, another analyzed competitors, another organized the structure, and another generated content ideas. And instead of just giving scattered outputs, it created a structured workflow that you can actually use and build on. And it felt less like using a tool and more like managing a small team that's handling tasks. What makes this even more powerful is the integration with Alibaba.com. So instead of just researching products, the system can actually connect that research directly to real sourcing data, suppliers, and product insight within the same ecosystem. And of course, that means you are not just planning, you are actually moving closer to execution within one connected environment. This ecosystem integration is something most standalone AI tools simply don't offer. After using it more, a few things stood out clearly. You can create custom AI agents based on your needs, switch between different AI models depending on the task, use built-in browser access for real-time research, and connect with tools like Gmail, Google Drive, Slack, Notion, and even Alibaba. The platform is also improving consistently with updates like better file handling, more AI model support, coding features in beta, and improvement in workflow organization. There's also a cloud desktop options being introduced, which expands how you can use it further. Now, to be fair, it's not perfect. For more complex workflow, you still need to give clear instructions. And like any AI system, the output depends on how well the task is defined. But compared to tools that only assist, it moves much closer to actually replacing clumps of manual work by executing full workflows instead of just supporting them. If your current workflows feel scattered and you are spending more time managing tasks than completing them, this is definitely worth trying. You can get started using my link in the description, and if you sign up to it, you will also get extra credits to test everything properly. Try it yourself and see how much work you can actually offload. If you find this useful, drop a like, and I will see you in the next one. But before this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that like button too. And if you have any questions and curious video, then definitely comment down below. And I am waiting for you in this video.